25. Stories behind everyday inventions. The need for something that can solve the problems in our daily lives often leads to new and interesting inventions. Here are some examples of inventions that were born as solutions to common daily problems. Earl Dixon noticed that his wife often burned or cut herself accidentally while working in the kitchen. She would then need his help to put bandages on the wounds. Since Dixon couldn't always be there to assist her, he invented a bandage that she could easily apply herself. Sold under the brand name Band-Aid, these adhesive bandages are now used for many types of minor injuries. Then there was Betty Nesmith Graham, a secretary who wanted a simple way to correct her typing mistakes. One day, as she was watching painters apply touch-up paint to a wall, it struck her that the same technique could be used on paper. She mixed a white paint and used a small brush to apply it to her work. This small bottle of paint with brush eventually came to be known as liquid paper. In some cases, though, people invent things for one purpose but end up using them for another. Take tea bags, for example. In 1908, a New York tea seller named Thomas Sullivan came up with the idea of creating samples for customers by putting tea leaves in small silk bags. He intended for customers to remove the loose leaves from each bag before brewing a pot of tea. However, some people misunderstood and began putting the unopened bags directly into hot water, and the custom of using tea bags was born. Sometimes inventions are used for their original purpose. Other times, they end up being used for something completely different. Either way, they make our lives a whole lot better.